Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to scan QR code for your Wi-Fi to not enter a password and enter into a Wi-Fi more quickly via your phone. There are many techniques you can use to scan code for Wi-Fi which can differ from one phone to other, and it may or may not work in all the phones. So the few techniques I'm going to show you are, the first one is you can go to your Wi-Fi settings and there will be a scan button on this side right here, and after you click that, the camera will open and you need to scan the Wi-Fi you want to. It might work on some people and it might not work on other people's phones. So as you can see, it has already worked on my phone. And the other method is there will be a scan QR code button on your phone if you guys use this phone, or if you guys don't use this, it might or might not be on your phone. So after you scan this, the Wi-Fi will be connected. It might work or might not work. In some phone it does not work in mine, so you guys can see this technique does not work in some phones. And the other technique that works on my phone is you can open up the camera, and after you just show this QR code, you just focus on this, and as you guys can see, here is a QR code button, and after you click on that, you will be connected. After you click on this connect to this network, you will be connected in few seconds. So if you guys don't have any of these functions, you can use a third-party app to scan your code, and you can scan code from other phones or any images. So I believe I've taught you guys how to scan QR code for Wi-Fi via your phone. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.